break-even point is when the money you make equals the money you spend. This point is important because it tells you when your business will finally be making money. We can use a system of linear equations to model a break-even point. Let's imagine you are starting a business. You need to rent a building for your business. This amount does not change. This is called a fixed cost. There is no rise to this line. It's a zero-slope line going straight across. The red line is your total expenses added to your fixed costs. This continues to increase because you have to keep buying materials for your store. Notice the b in both functions is the same. The blue line represents your income or revenue. It starts below the red line and its y-intercept is 0. When you hit the break-even point, the money you make is equal to the money you are spending. After the break-even point, you are finally starting to make a profit in your business. Now let's look at a real-life example. A fashion designer makes and sells hats. The material for each hat costs $5.50. The hats sell for $12.50 each. The designer spends $1,400 on advertising. How many hats must the designer sell to break even? First, we need to find the words for slope. The words per or each usually represent slope. Now let's find the words that mean spend money and make the first formula. In the first formula, she's spending $5.50 on the material for each hat, so that's our slope. She's also spending a one-time payment of $1,400 for advertising. That's her fixed cost. When she sells each hat, she sells them for $12.50 each. The word each tells you that's the slope. There's nothing else to add to the formula. There are three methods to find the break-even point. We can use the graph, table, or formula. In this example, we'll use the formula. First, make sure the formulas are in y equals mx plus b. Then set the formulas equal to each other and solve for x. Now substitute the x you found into one of the formulas to get the y value. She will break even after selling 200 hats, and income and expenditures will both be equal at $500 at this point.